Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Immutable X. We were watching that the price line of Immutable X broke out the resistance, but right now it has re-entered the previous wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to break it out again, or we are going to test the support of this wedge. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart. And I was telling you in my last video that we are having a hidden bearish divergence. So even though we are having a breakout from this wedge, but it is most likely to be possible that the price line will move down and retest the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. But the price line did not even test the resistance as a support. It re-entered the previous wedge. We can see that the RSI was forming higher high, but the price line was not able to form higher than previous high. Even though the difference was very small, you can see if I maximize this chart, then it will be easy for us to watch. You can see that difference was not very much big, but the price line in fact failed to form another higher than previous high. And we also had a very weak spike up to this level, and the price line moved down and re-entered the previous wedge. Now, for example, if the price line is going to retest the previous support of the wedge, that is approximately at $2.33. But before that, we have another support. You can see here, while the price line is moving up, it has also formed another support of an up channel. This is the support. And here we have the resistance of the newly formed up channel. By the way, this is also an ascending triangle as well. You can see here we have the resistance and different rejections, and also at the same time it has also formed an up channel as well. Now if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, let me switch to the different page, and here we can see that we are at the support. And if we watch the movement of the price line with the combination of the stochastic on the 4-hourly time frame, then we can observe that the movement of the price line is very beautifully synchronized with the movement of the stochastic. For example, if the stochastic enters the oversold zone and the price line hits this support, then the stochastic turns bullish and the price line follows the movement of the stochastic. Here we have seen again the stochastic entered the oversold zone, price line hit this support of this uptrend line resistance, support, and from here the price line again bounced. Right now we are again at this support, and the stochastic again entered the oversold zone. Now if the stochastic turns bullish, most probably the price line will again follow the signal of the stochastic, and we will have another reversal move towards the upside. And in that situation, the price line can again reach the resistance of this channel that is approximately at $4.07. And in that situation, we will be again out of this resistance of the falling wedge. So next few hours are again really very important for Immutable X. If it will break it out, then I'm expecting that it can hit the next targets that I've already shared with you. And that is $4.50, and $5.50, and $8.30 will be our final target. But we need a rally, and we need to form another higher than previous high to remove this bearish divergence, at least from the daily time frame chart, the hidden bearish divergence. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.